Hi friends, hope you are doing great.
Hi friends, hope you are doing great. In our last video, we have seen the part one demo App Engine. So today we are going to continue the same only. So we have already done the steps like gcloud app deploy. We have done this command. We have used it command previously. You can see the descriptor, source, target project, service, version, and URL. You can see this project ID, then service its default version, and target URL, project our project name, and app spot like that. So it's now showing it's uploading 0 files, but previously you can see uploading 8 files it has. Okay, so to view your application in this web browser, run gcloud app browse. So I have done that only, gcloud app browse. So you have to enter this one, gcloud app browse. View your application. To launch your browser, enter the following command only, gcloud. Just I'm typing this, gcloud app browse. Just enter this. Did not detect your browser, go to the this link to view your app. So https compost, just we have to click this one. So it will open in new tab. So it will come like this only, hello world 123. This, sorry friends, this is a old one. Okay, the old, we have done it already. Okay, you can see previously in our video, you can see that one. You can see this one. We have deployed our applications. Okay, already we have done this, deploy our applications. Now only we are going to view our applications by using this command, gcloud app browse. So example output, note that your link will be different, like this only it will come that message. So your application which is deployed, and we can read the short message in your browser. So just click this one. Now you can see it's coming like hello world 123 message. You can see that URL, it's changed now, composed hyphen sun hyphen the project ID, then appspot.com. But previously it was clumsy, right? So now it has been changed. So that is the main difference here. We have done with the lab, friends. So now what we are going to do means we are going to delete those things. Okay, so we have viewed our applications also, how to disable these applications app engine, so that the Google Cloud, they won't charge if you are using a free tier account. So free tier account it is 90 days only, $300 only they will give. So go to that cloud storage first. Under the storage, just click storage, cloud storage. Okay, just you have to select the buckets. Just click delete, and delete, just type caps delete, just copy paste it, then click delete. So the three buckets will be deleted now. Fine. So it has been done now, deleted three buckets. You can see this now, the bucket has been deleted. Okay, three buckets have been deleted now. Now you have to go to that navigation menu. Click the navigation menu. Click the navigation menu, go to that app engine here. So you can see that first you have to check the instances. So one is running 100%, it's running. Okay, fine. So just, okay, we have to just scroll down. Okay, just scroll down here, you can see the instances. Okay, just click this one, tick. You have to just tick only, which is we have to delete those things. Just click delete now. So delete instance. Do you want to delete the instance of the version? Just to delete this, deleting the instance, deleting the instance message, it came now. Okay, fine. So the instance was deleted now. You can see friends, now the instance was deleted, there is no instance deployed. Then go to the version. So 100% it's running, serving. We can't delete or stop or anything, we can't do it. Okay, so how to delete, or sorry, not delete, how to disable the applications. So these services also, this is default only, no need to touch anything here. This is a dashboard, you can see this one for app engine. So here you have to go to that settings. No, actually, yeah, this app engine settings only you have to go. Under the settings, just click the settings. So here we can disable the applications. So initially when I start the project App Engine, that time I have enabled the application. If you have seen my previous video, that time you know, friends. So if you are doing first time, no need to worry about these things. If you are doing, if you have done multiple times, then you have to disable the applications first. If you have created App Engine, then you have to disable the application. Then only the Google Cloud, they won't charge anything for this App Engine running. Okay, so the App Engine, it will be disabled. It will disable. So we have to disable the application now. So I am clicking this disable application so that they won't charge. So disable the project. If you disable this app, a few things it will happen. The app will stop serving. Okay, the app will stop serving. Just you have to give the app ID composed. This project ID you have to give this one. Just click disable. Now this App Engine will be disabled. If you have clicked that URL also, it won't work, friends. Okay, that hello world 123 message we came, right? If you have refresh it, it won't work. You can check that on also. Thanks a lot, friends. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. It will motivate me to upload more videos about the Google Cloud platform. Have a great day. Thanks.